Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we took this 2016 Ford Transit single cab tipper truck. Now this truck is available from as little as £114 per week and has a Bluetooth radio, is ULEZ compliant, comes with a spare key, is a factory body, has 123 brake horsepower and is also 6-speed. Let's take a look in the front. Now, as you can see up front, you've got 3 seats. You've got your Bluetooth radio just there, and your 6-speed gear stick there. And also up here as well, you do have a rear view display, and when you reverse, there's also a reversing camera display there as well. Now here, you got tipper controls as well. We will be showing you a demonstration of the tipper after the walk round. Once again, this is a factory body. And lastly, I'll show you on the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the bonnet. Let's take a look. Now once again, this van has 123 brake horsepower. And now we'll show you the tipper. So we're now sat inside this 2016 Ford Transit tipper truck. Going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. Now, as I said earlier, it's a 6-speed van with 123 brake horsepower, so it's got a really nice acceleration. It shifts through the gears really nicely as well. Has no issues getting up to a good speed either. Now as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. Brakes are really nice and responsive. And as you can see, the steering is really nice and responsive as well. Now that's going to be it for the 2016 Ford Transit single cab tipper truck.